Most desk setups are static. They're boring. But today, we're building a light that actually interacts with you. Here at MakersPlace, we decided to build an interactive desk light using the mBot extension pack. Let's get into it. For this build, we are using the mCore mainboard and the mBot body, a plate 45-degree beam and 2 standard beams for the structure, our eyes and ears, a sound sensor, light sensor, and RGB LED, and of course the essentials, spacers, nuts, and our trusty screwdriver. Let's start assembling from scratch. First, we'll join the beams into the mCore. Then attach the second one to create a sturdy stand for the desk light. Next, we're mounting the line sensor into the frame. Then, we take the mBot body and secure the sound sensor and RGB LED. This is what gives the lamp its personality. A few quick connections with the RJ25 cables, and our hardware is ready to glow. Hardware is only half the battle. Now, let's look at the code. The logic here is simple. If the light sensor detects the room is dark, the RGB turns on. If the sound sensor picks up a clap or a snap, the colors cycle. It's all about creating a feedback loop between the environment and the desk. And there it is. Our interactive desk light is complete. It reacts to the room, looks futuristic, and the best part? We built it ourselves. Let's see it in action. If I just touch it, it turns on, just like that. See how responsive it is? But we didn't stop at touch. Watch this. If I make a sound, it turns on too. By combining sound and touch sensors, we've created our very own interactive desk light that feels alive. Identify a real-life application of this project in your environment and tell us in the comments. Excited to explore more? Register your child for our robotics course at MakersPlace. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more educational videos